In this short video tutorial, we will learn how to check for the equal to condition using the C programming language. Now, in the previous video tutorial, we understood about conditional statements, in which we discussed that the conditional statements will either give us an answer true or they will give us an answer as false. So if the answer is true, then the code inside the body of the if clause will run, and if the answer is false, then the code inside the else block will run. So in this small example, we will discuss about how to check for the equal to condition using the if and else statements in the C programming language. So I'm writing a very simple C program in which I have created the main function, and inside the main function I'm creating a variable a which is of the type int, and I have given it a value 5. Now I'm writing if and else conditions in which we will be printing equal or not equal on the screen. Now let's understand this very simple code that I have written. In this code, I've created a variable a which is of the type int, and I have given it a value 5. Inside the if statement, I have given a condition which says a double equal to 5. Now if you remember from our previous video tutorials, we discussed that the equal to operator is the assignment operator in C. So when we have to assign a value, like here we are assigning a value 5 to the variable a, when we have to assign a value, we use the single equal to operator. But when we have to check whether the value on the left hand side is equal to the value on the right hand side, then we make use of the double equal to operator. So the double equal to operator will check that whether the value which is on this side is equal to the value on this side. If both these values are equal, then the result of the double equal to operator will be true, else the result of the double equal to operator will be false. So in this code, as you can notice that we have given the variable a value 5. Therefore, this condition should return the result as true. Now, if the result returned is true, then the code inside the body of the if clause should run. So this code should run and the output should be printed as equal. So let's run our code and see if we get this result or not. Now notice that the string that is printed on the screen is equal, which means the code inside the body of the if clause has executed. Now let's make this condition as false. So I've written a double equal to 10. Now the value of a is 5. Therefore, this condition should return a value false, which means that the code inside the body of the else clause will run. So now if I execute this program, the final output should be not equal, which means that the code inside the else block has executed. So by making use of the double equal to operator in C, you can check for you can evaluate the equal condition, in which you can check whether the value on the left hand side is equal to the value on the right hand side or not. So with this, we will end our short tutorial here. To access our complete C programming course, please visit openeschool.com/learnc. Also, please subscribe to our channel to get regular updates on the new videos that we post.